So we've actually reached our destination as far as the lake goes, but we're gonna be trying to find the beach. Found one on Google Maps, but I'm gonna check with some folks to see if there's a lot of options or so on and so forth. But let's check out an overlook first, okay? So like one beach. Whoa, look at that. One beach shows up on Google Maps that we'll go look into and see if that's the one we want to go to. But look at that. That is something. This is a lake with some like serious bluffs. Look at that, babe. That's something. I think we can get further out here to excuse me, to overlook another one, see where this takes us. But yeah, I was just doing a search on Google Maps and I found one public beach, but on my way back I might ask those people over there, they're like utility workers, if they know of any others, or is there a preferred beach. I just hear it's like very clean lake. You can see like 15 feet down into the water. Sounds like my kind of swimming. Oh, this is getting really pretty here. It's getting rocky. I'm not sure. Maybe that was the overlook just over there. I'm not sure where this goes or if this just ends here. Oh yeah, it's quite a drop off right here. The trail goes over there though, I think. I don't know, but I think that was the overlook. Everywhere in West Virginia so far that we've been is gorgeous. There's great hiking, all these beautiful overlooks. And this one is something. Looking forward to getting into that water. Another view. I think we have a dam over here. Summersville Dam. Let's go see. I said Summersville Dam, but I don't see a view of a dam. Oh, well, we're right on it here. This is it, I think. Okay, gonna keep going. We keep on winding up with more and more scenic stops, I guess. We're about 5 minutes from the beach, so let's get there. On the way. As always, sometimes I overlook the obvious. I think it might be over here, like this. I don't know what this is all about, but let's cross the road. I think we may see something from over here. At least there's some signs with some information. Let's cross over. Wow, look at this. So this is valves. Okay, so I think we'll see over here, but here you go. Okay, there we go. You can read that. There you go. Okay, so this is it. This is how it's done. Couldn't see from over there, but yeah, this is pretty cool. Look at this. Look at the size of that. And so that's, yeah, like over there. See? Flood control. So this, I'll read all this, but this is all the facts about the dam. There you go. See, hen? Probably coming from that side over to here. See? That's neat. You can see it flowing through there, down there. That's cool. I've never seen it like this kind of design. I want to read this for a bit over here, learn something, and then again, onto the beach. Hydropower. Okay, I'm going to give this a read. Okay, so there's a lot of good information there. I think as far as like the information goes, I think I'm going to put it in like a link in the video description. I'll just kind of like upload some information there. For those interested, I'll see if I can include some info. There's a whole project run by the U.S. Army Corps engineers monitoring rainfall and whatnot, so they can control flooding and whatnot in regards to the reservoir and the rivers. Kanawha River and Ohio River, something like that. Yeah. We made it to the beach. The beach! There's hardly anybody here. That's great. Down this way, there's the bathhouse. We get changed into our suits and... Wow, they don't really let you go out far, huh? I'm a bit more of an adventurous swimmer than this, I think, but it should be nice. Should be refreshing. We'll see. So we're gonna get changed into our suits and go for a swim. I think we'll go more so over there. Looks like a good spot. A lot of picnic tables here. I should have brought our cooler. We have some food and snacks in our cooler. I could sure go for some of that hummus right now. There's like really cool butterflies around here though. There's a tiger swallowtail, or some type of swallowtail over there. There it is. And I just saw a red admiral somewhere. Okay, so see if we can get Henny situated. A lot of effort to go swim on a small beach. I was hoping for a bigger beach. I'd be able to swim out farther, but seems it's a little bit more child friendly. Okay, Henny, you ready? Do you want to get changed in there? Do you have your swimsuit already with you, or do you want to, there's some in here? I don't know.
I'll take.
Yeah, just go ahead and take this with you, but don't lose anything in there, okay? Oh, my wallet's in here too. See, I wish I can just go swim over here somewhere, just in this, in a more uncontrolled way. Doesn't look like that's gonna happen. All right, just a bit here, we should be in the water. Finally ready to go for a dip. Ready to swim, babe? Mm-hmm. All right, let's go. Ooh, it's cold too. Not too bad though. It's cold. Woo! Super cold. Oh, it is very clear. It's a nice clean beach. I wish kind of like I can go further out. I like to swim down deep. Let's see actually how deep this gets. Come on in, babe. You're gonna love it. Wait till you get further in. It doesn't get warmer. You gotta make your way in. Oh, yeah. So apparently that's as far as she goes. You sure? It's perfect. It is. Nice and clear though. I'm gonna put my goggles on and go down and look around. It is very clear. Very cold. Okay, lovely day, right, babe?
Mm-hmm.
What'd we do? Start at the cafe and went for a swim. Full complete day. Checked out a state park, and then I think Cathedral Falls is like one of the best things you can do immediately in this area. I love waterfalls, and that's quite a nice waterfall. Very peaceful there. Sorry, I got like flies flying into my face, or ashes. Trying to get a fire going. We're getting this going. I'm gonna make some pork. Already had some black beans. Oh, we finished the chicken soup. You're working on that right now, right? Okay. So there we have it. We have a nice sunset over here. And I think it might be sort of hazy, cloudy night. Not sure if we're gonna have any stars. Got kind of cold last night, so I decided to go ahead and put the rain fly on to keep some of the heat in. All right, so working on this fire. Once get that going, we'll chime back in here. Kind of, most of my kindling kind of went out, but we'll see. It's still kind of going in there. It might still pull through for me. We'll see. If not, I'll start over. We have some plans tomorrow. We want to stay another night, possibly. It depends on what our agenda is, so we'll see. Lots of things to do. So strong suggestion, go into, if you're camping around here, I do suggest Ray's campground. Friendly people, lovely campsites, close to town but really out in the wilderness. As you can see, surrounded by all the lovely trees. Really dense in here. Peaceful, everybody's quiet and respectful. All right, had a lovely night last night, popcorn and beer, and yeah, so I do suggest this campground. I give it the 5-star for sure. No complaints at all. And as I said, so near town. So first, you know, things to do. Stop in Fayetteville. Lots of cool. There's little cafes. I suggest Cathedral Cafe to start with. A unique experience. Good food. Very good frittata. With yeah, we had the spinach mushroom frittata. They even threw like artichoke in there. And from there, you know, like about a 15 to 20 minute drive to Summersville. Nice clean lake with a small beach. And then from there, there's all sorts of state parks. We still got to do Babcock. We did Hawk's Nest. And yeah, so plenty of state parks. You're right in, kind of nestled right into New River Gorge National Park. Everywhere you go, you get all these beautiful scenic lookouts. So it's worth it. It's definitely worth coming out here. West Virginia is, again, one of our favorites, I think, next to Arkansas. Okay, so that's that. We're going to just kind of continue our little cooking and hang out by what hopefully becomes a fire. All right, see ya. Have a nice little bird song going on over here. Little evening bird calling. Little evening bird song. I'm gonna have to look that up, see what that is. Oh, he stopped, I think, because I'm talking. I think the fire's starting to get going. I think Henny and I see us coming back here to this campground and to this area to continue to explore a little bit more. We rarely do return trips because we want to check everything out. so far. Ozarks, Arkansas, tops, and here, this part of West Virginia. We are digging it. I'm gonna do another night, I think, tomorrow, and maybe add a part 2 video.